Hello students, today we will see operations on polynomial. Okay, now operations on polynomial means we have to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are four operations that we will see one by one on the polynomials. Okay, by example. So this is example 1. Subtract 5a square minus 2a from 7a square plus 5a plus 6. That means we have to subtract that term from this one. So for that we will write 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Now we have to subtract this term from that one. That means from this term. Minus 5a square minus 2a. Okay. Now we will insert that negative sign inside the bracket and we will remove that brackets. So we will remove that bracket from here also. 7a square plus 5a plus 6. Now that negative sign, whenever that negative sign will go inside this bracket, now that 5a square is positive, that because of that negative sign it will become minus 5a square, and because of that negative sign and that negative sign, multiplication of both negative sign, it will become plus 2a. Now whichever is like term, okay, now whichever terms are like terms means the variable having same power. So now if you look at here 7a square, that a square, here also we have a square, that means these two terms are like term because they have same power, which is 2. And if you carefully look at this term 5a and 2a, here a and a we have, and the degree of, that means the power of a is 1, here also 1. So these two terms are also like terms. So whichever terms are like, that we will write together. That means 7a square minus 5a square plus 5a, that 2a will come over here, plus 2a plus 6. That constant term will be at last. Now whatever we are doing for normal numbers, that we will do here. Now 7a square minus 5a square. Now 7 minus 5, 2. So it will be 2a square plus 5a plus 2a, 5 plus 2, 7. So it will be 7a plus constant term as it is. So this will be the solution of that question. Subtract 5a square minus 2a from that trinomial. So this will be your final answer. So our second example is multiply minus 2a with 5a square. So our question is minus 2a multiplication 5a square. Now while doing multiplication, that constant term will multiply, that means that variables, that constant term will multiply with constant term, that means that minus 2 and that 5 will multiply with each other, and that variable also we have to do. We have to consider variable also while doing multiplication. So we have to multiply a and a square as well. So multiplication of minus 2 and 5 into a square, that we have to do. Now minus 2 into 5 will be minus 10. A into a square, it will become a cube. That means 3 times a. A into a square will become a cube. This is how we have to do multiplication. So our third example is multiply m square minus 5 with m cube plus 2m minus 2. That means this is a trinomial, this one is binomial. Binomial multiplication with trinomial. So that we will write m square minus 5 and in another bracket m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now we will multiply that m square minus 5 with that bracket. That means we will separately multiply with m square with that bracket, separated with negative sign, and then we will multiply that 5 with that bracket. That means first we will multiply with m square and that complete bracket, which is m cube plus 2m minus 2. Now that minus 5 and that complete bracket will come again, m cube plus 2m minus 2. We have multiplied that both the term separately with that same bracket. Now we will insert, now we will multiply that m square inside the bracket. Similarly, that minus 5 inside the bracket. So we'll multiply that m square and m cube plus m square into 2m minus 2 into m square. Similarly, we will multiply with minus 5 inside the bracket. So minus 5 multiplication m cube. Now that minus 5 multiplication 2m, and that minus 5 multiplication with minus 2. Now m square and m cube, it will become m raised to 5 times n, plus m square into 2m. So that 2 will be as it is, and m square into m will become 3 times m, that means m cube minus 2m square. Now in another side, that minus 5 into m cube will become minus 5 m cube. 5 multiplication 2m, that minus 5 will multiply with the constant m, which is 2. 5 into 2 will be 10. Because of that minus n, it will become minus 10m. Now minus 5 multiplication minus 10, it will become plus 10. Now whichever terms are like term, that means having same power, that we will write together. M raised to 5. Now plus 2m cube and that minus 5m cube, that we will write together. Minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10. Now m raised to 5 as it is. Now 2m cube minus 5m cube. Now that 5 is bigger, 2 is smaller. So final answer will have negative sign, and 5 minus 2 will become 3m cube. While doing subtraction, we are doing subtraction here. While doing subtraction, that variable terms will be as it is. We will not consider that. Minus 2m square minus 10m plus 10, that will be your final answer. This fourth example, this is related to addition, that means add 3m square n plus 5mn square minus 7mn and 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. That is, we have to do addition of that term with this one. So that we will write 3m square n plus 5 mn square minus 7mn plus 2m square n minus mn square plus mn. Now we have to add them. So we will remove that brackets and we will insert that positive sign inside bracket. So because of positive sign, that all sign will be as it is. Now whichever terms are like term, that we will write together. That means like terms here means that m square n and that m square n. These are like term. Similarly mn square, these are like term. So that we will write together. So 3 m square n plus 2 m square n, that will come together, plus 5 mn square minus mn square minus 7mn plus mn. These are like term that we have written together. Now we will do the addition or subtraction, whatever is required. Now you have 3mn square plus 2mn square. So mn square will be variable term, and then we have to deal with the constant term only, which is 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 will be 5 m square. Here 5mn square minus mn square. So mn square and mn square, that will be constant term. We have to deal with the constant, that means 5 minus, here we don't have anything, that means we have 1. So 5 minus 1 will become 4. So plus 4 mn square. Now minus 7 mn plus mn. Again here minus 7 plus 1. So it will be minus 6 and mn, that will be our variable term. So our answer will be 5m square n plus 4mn square minus 6mn. That will be our answer. So So next example is we have to divide 2 plus 2x square with x plus 2, and we have to write our final answer in the form dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means in this form we have to write our final answer. So now while doing division, this is our dividend. Okay, so we will consider that dividend as a p of x, that means polynomial, and we will write that dividend in the standard form. That means 2x square will come first. Now because of that square, we should have 3 terms. Look here, we have only 2 terms. That means one term is missing. So that we will consider as a 0x plus 2. That means constant term will be at last. So this is a standard form of our dividend. Now we will divide by our division method. So dividend will come over here, 2x square plus 0x plus 2. Now x plus 2 is our divisor. Now we have to divide by that x plus 2 to our dividend. So if you consider our first term, that means first term of our dividend, we have 2x square, and if you consider our first term of divisor, we have x only. So if you will write x plus 2, we have to multiply with some constant or variable so that we will get final answer as a 2x square. Okay, that 2x square we want as a first term of our divisor. So we will multiply with 2x. Okay, we will multiply with 2x with our divisor so that we will get 2x square. We will get 2x square plus 4x. Okay, we will multiply our divisor, which is x plus 2, with 2x, so that we will get 2x square plus 4x as an answer. So that 2x we will write here, and 2x square plus 4x, that will come here. Now we have to change the sign, so that will become negative both terms. Now 2x square minus 2x square, it will become 0, that will neutralize 0, and now 0 minus 4x square, so it will become minus 4x. Now that plus 2 will come below. Now we have minus 4x plus 2, and here we have x plus 2. Now we want here minus 4x at the place, that means of our divisor, at the place of first term we want minus 4x. So for that we will multiply our divisor by minus 4. So we will get multiplication of minus 4 with x will be minus 4x, and multiplication of minus 4 with 2 will be minus 2, minus 8. 2 multiplication minus 4 will be minus 8. So we will get minus 4x minus 8 after doing multiplication of minus 4. So minus 4 will come over here, minus 4x minus 8. Now again we have to do subtraction. We will change the sign, that negative will become positive. Here also that negative will become positive. So minus 4x plus 4x, it will cancel, and 2 plus 8 will become 10. So that 10 is the remainder. 2x minus 4 is the quotient, x plus 2 divisor, and 2x square plus 0x plus 2 will be our dividend. So that we will write in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. In that form we have to write our answer. So now we will give the notation to the quotient, divisor and remainder. Now the dividend we have considered as a px. Now we will consider qx as a divisor. Okay, and it will be x plus 2. Now we go for the quotient, s of x quotient, which is 2x minus 4. This is our quotient. Now the remainder we will consider as a r of x. You can take anything, whatever you want, which is now our remainder is 10. So now we have to find our final. We have to write our final answer in the form of dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now dividend we have to write first. Our dividend was px, so that we will write p of x is equal to, now divisor. Divisor we have considered as a qx, that we will write qx. Multiplication quotient, multiplication quotient. Quotient we have considered as a s of x, so that will come plus remainder. Plus remainder we have considered as a r of x. So that will be the form, that is what required by the question. Practice set 3.2 will be your homework, and questions I will send in our group. Thank you.